And now here we are with the iPhone 17 Pro 256 in orange. Let's begin the unboxing. As satisfying as ever, unfortunately the Apple Store was pretty loud. Holy moly, that orange color just looks majestic. But first, let's check what's in the box. And apparently, just a charging cable, USB-C to USB-C. There's some documents. You can see just the one talking about you have to use an eSIM and some legal stuff. And that's it in the box. Apple does not take care of us anymore. And time to do the peel. That never gets less satisfying. And the gorgeous OLED display with the beautiful blacks. Definitely looks to have less reflections than the year before, and the camera bump in the backside just looks beautiful. And here it is, fully booted up. And now, 1 week later, my review. So, here's the iPhone 17 Pro in all its glory. I currently have it in a clear case, just to protect it and keep it looking pristine for even longer. If you're getting one, you definitely have to consider a clear case because that two-tone looks amazing. Even my cat approves. But in all seriousness, on the back, you have 3 cameras, which have all been improved over the last year. They are all also 48 megapixel sensors. Edge-to-edge 6.3-inch display with virtually no bezels feels extremely premium too. It feels extremely comfortable in the hand to hold. And as I've said earlier, it is just a beautiful phone. It looks even better in person. Internally and externally, it has been completely redesigned. It's all aluminum with the glass cutout. And not only is it beautiful, it's very functional and very speedy. The new telephoto lens is a 4x telephoto, which is slightly worse than last year, but it makes up for it with double the megapixels, which means that you actually have a practical 8x zoom without any quality loss. Here are some Geekbench scores. You can see that it performs almost on par with the M2 iPad Pro, which is insane, given that that has a laptop chip. And you can also see here the Geekbench CPU scores comparing it to the iPhone 15, which is on the bottom, and the iPhone 17 Pro on the top. And here are also the speed test results, where you can see the new modem delivers insane speeds, and that's on sub 6 gigahertz, not millimeter wave. And here's my 15 and the 17 Pro side by side. Quite a big difference, I'd say. And now let's get into gaming performance. As you can see here, I'm starting out with Honkai Star Rail running at the max graphics settings 120 FPS, and I'll show you exactly what settings I have it at in just a second. You can see moving around, it's extremely smooth, it's fluid, and the vapor chamber definitely helps with sustained performance. As you can see here, 120 FPS, high settings, very high everywhere, and I also have metal effects on. And yeah, as you can see, as I move around, it doesn't throttle like some older Pro iPhones used to do after a while, because 120 FPS is very hard to push, especially in games. And Honkai Star Rail definitely takes full advantage of this. As you can see, as I switch from map to map, it is extremely smooth, fluid, with no loading screen. And yeah, move on to Genshin Impact, the classic. Playing it again at max graphics settings, 120 FPS, it is extremely smooth and fluid. With the new characters from the new regions, it loads in perfectly. And combat is just as good as ever. Let me show you exactly what I mean. easy. But yeah, now I'm gonna show off how good PSP emulation has gotten, and the 17 Pro does excellently with it, with a smooth 30 FPS all the time, upscaled by 4x. And it's not the most impressive performance, because obviously like even like an iPhone 5 could run this, but the fact that it's not heating up at all and no battery drain is just beautiful. Like, this is the peak PSP emulating experience. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe. If you didn't, you know what you need to do. And I do look forward to improving. Thank you so much for watching yet again, and bye!